Hello, beauties. Welcome to Beauty by Dave. It must be Saturday. It's time for another video. Whoa. Thank you for coming to Beauty by Dave, where we do beginner boy beauty. Where we just play with products for fun. Today, we're doing Simihaze Beauty. Check this bad boy out. Simihaze Beauty. I always call it Simihaze, but it's Simihaze Beauty. This is their Skin Suede Melting Bronze Balm. Balm Bronzant Fondant. Oh, that sounds real cool, and what I presume to be French. We got the shade Oak 3 here. This is what the front looks like. I don't understand what that is. This is some kind of shape. What is that? Does that mean Simihaze? Is it upside down? I don't understand this at all. Is that a smiley face? It's a little smiley face. That's fun. I didn't even see that before. But anyway, so this is a bronze balm. It's a melting bronze balm. This is what the product looks like. Let's show you here. Oh, that's it. Let's get to that. When then you use your finger, it gets all melty and liquidy. So let's do a little swatchy, so you can kind of see what it looks like there. Oh, that looks questionable, David. That looks questionable, David. Oh, this is bronzer. Okay, there you go. So you can see, let's kind of try to blend it in for you. It just looks like I'm smearing stuff on my hand. You know what it looks like. Okay, anyway, that's a swatchy of it. You can see it blends out beautifully. Look at that. You can see I just it just was a big stain on my hand, but now look, it's all blended in. It's a little bit bronzed, Probably can't really tell that much right there, but I mean, it blends out really beautifully. It does. It actually melts into the skin. I've been really playing with it a lot. It's just a really fun product. It's really good. I've got some good recommendations from it, from a lot of the girlies. It's made in Italy, of course. Of course it's made in fucking Italy, guys. So I've looked at some of the other Simihaze beauty products, and honestly, I didn't pick them up. They have a blush. They have a blush duo, but it's like $42, and it just looked like some cream blush, and it's like whatever. But so today we're gonna do a 2 ingredient look today. This is for absolute beginners. This is a really, really effective product if you don't know what you're doing, or if you don't have any extra products. Of course, you can use this as a bronzer. I use it as a contour a lot of times, but I also sometimes just use it as a one product kind of day. So it's very versatile. You can also, of course, you can add, setting powders and setting sprays and all kinds of other stuff. But today we're going to do this in 2 steps. We're going to go with our Simihaze melting bronzer, and then we're going to throw in just a little bit of blush, just to add color, because I like to say it, we're adding blood to the face. We're adding life to the face. We like to bronze it out. We're going to glow it up. This is super glowy. And we're going to use just a little teeny tiny bit of powder blush to put a little bit of color in, and to really kind of just barely set the face a little bit. So anyway, what we're gonna do here is, I didn't set up my miroir properly. There we go. All right. So I have just a nice, very thick foundation brush from It Cosmetics, and I'm just gonna go to town in here on the product. I'm just gonna swirl a bunch onto my brush. And the first thing I do is I'm gonna go for my hollows. I really like to hit these hollows. It's what I call contouring my little hollow thingies. I just like to put some product up there, just kind of try to make a bit of a shadow. We just want it to be a little bit darker. And so we have enough product up there. And with this, I like to buff. I like to kind of stipple. Sometimes I like to swipe. You can just swipe it all the way in, and it'll just go away. It really just will melt all the way. And then if you leave, you can, I like to do stipples to kind of pack it in if I want a little bit more color payoff. Wow, look at me. I'm using big words. Okay, so I did my little hollows. I'm going to go for a little bit of my forehead. I'm gonna go for the cheeks a little bit. For this, what I'm doing is I'm just gonna try to put a little base layer. Just kind of bronze up a little bit. This provides a really deep kind of glow all around. And so if you put too much on, it's gonna start to look like, you're wearing, a tanning bronzer, which is fine if that's what you're going for. But it will be a bit obvious if you use too much product. But with this product, you can be very generous, and it really does blend very well. So we're just kind of finishing off the forehead a little bit. Just getting that nice and even down. You want to go into the eye a little bit. I find that this product's pretty eye safe, and that I just go all over my eye, and it's not really a problem. My eyes are super sensitive, so I can't do that with a lot of products. Get the nose. We really just have a really light layer on today. We're gonna do a really nice before and after photo. I took a before photo, and we're gonna have a nice after photo. But I think the biggest thing you can see is there's a really nice strong glow everywhere. That's what this product really provides, a really strong glow. Oh, so fun. Okay. It's got a lovely smell. It's just a really nice product. It really melts in. I feel when I wear this that you cannot tell at all that I'm wearing makeup. Like, not at all. It really just becomes a part of the skin, but it does look like you're wearing stuff. It's really nice. I love it. So this is lovely. This is very, 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 very light. I don't know, you might not even be able to see this, but when we do the before and after, you're really gonna see, oh wow, that is a nice subtle difference. So now what we have is this, this is a pretty insane blush. This is the Buttermelt blush from NYX. I have this shade, Butter Than Before. It's deep raspberry. Why would I get this? I don't know. It's crazy. It is crazy. Like, what is that? What am I going to do with that? I mean, it looks brown on this, but it is not. It is extremely dark red, purple. We got to be very, very careful with this. If we use too much, it's going to look crazy. So we're going to use like absolutely almost nothing. I'm going to do like 3 little taps. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Literally. Oh gosh, that's not going to be enough, but that's okay. We're going to start with that. Oh my gosh. That was actually perfect. All right. So then we just kind of dot that on there, onto the cheek, and then we're really gonna buff that out. We put a little bit of powder, but we're gonna make this powder go a really long way for us. Wow, okay, that was really good. I didn't expect that to work so well the first time. Okay, we're gonna do 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Okay, oof. Guys, oof. That was a lot, okay. We're gonna go right to the apple. Boom, 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 kind of pat it in there. Okay, that one's heavy, but not too much. We're just gonna blend it in. This is a really fluffy brush, very flimsy. You can really buff out really well with this. So we got the powder on the cheeks. That looks really nice. So we do have just a little bit of color that we've put back into the cheek. Now we look like we have a nice ruddy cheek. We're like nice and flush, It's great. There's a little bit of powder residue. We're gonna go all over the forehead, because we really need to kind of set this cream just a teeny tiny bit. And we have just a little bit of powder on there. And we're gonna kind of just get a little bit of that color all over the place. Got a teeny bit of color left. We're gonna go right on the nose, give us a nice little Rudolph. Did anything come up? Not really. And then we're kind of set. Honestly, that's the look. What do you think? It's that easy. It's that simple. Some Simihaze Beauty, melting bronze balm, a tiny bit of blush. You can use any powder blush. Literally any powder in the blush that you have will work. Just make sure you use a teeny tiny bit, but a little bit goes a long way. I just feel a lot better having these 2 things on my face. And you can too. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you've tried the Simihaze Beauty, if you like it. Let me know what kind of blushes you would like. If there's anybody out there that, tries this method, to try these 2 products and let me know how it goes for you. Otherwise, just have a great day. It's a great day out there in the world. We're all just having fun playing with makeup, Blah, 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 blah. Have a great day. Bye, beauties.